Hey everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, Project 5, we're going to create something really fun and interactive, an AI chatbot built completely from scratch using Python. We won't use any machine learning libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Instead, we'll write the logic ourselves to make our chatbot respond smartly to user inputs. Let's see how we can make Python talk like a human. So, what exactly is a chatbot? A chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users, through text or voice. You've seen chatbots on websites, customer service systems, or even personal assistants like Alexa and Siri. Our chatbot will be a simple rule-based chatbot, meaning it uses predefined patterns and responses to answer questions. It won't use advanced AI models, but you'll learn the logic that forms the foundation of modern NLP chatbots. Here's what our chatbot will be able to do. Greet the user. Respond to basic questions like, "What's your name?" "How are you?" or "What can you do?" Recognize goodbye messages. Provide a default reply if it doesn't understand the question. Basically, a lightweight conversational assistant, written in simple Python. Let's start coding. Step 1. Define chatbot responses. Here, we've created a dictionary, like a mini brain, where the chatbot stores known phrases and how to respond to them. Step 2. Create a reply function. This function checks if the user's message matches any known keywords. If yes, it returns the corresponding reply. Otherwise, it gives a polite default response. Step 3. Create chat loop. Now, this loop keeps the conversation running until the user says, "Bye." Each input is checked and responded to instantly. Let's test it out. And there you go, your own chatbot built completely from scratch. So that's it. You've just built your first AI chatbot in Python without any libraries. In the next videos, we'll make it smarter, using NLP techniques and even machine learning models to understand human language better. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more AI and Python projects. This is part of our Machine Learning from Scratch series. Check out the